Hello guys, so welcome back to our lab 6. In this video, we're gonna discuss or study the effect of breakdown voltage on the positive half wave rectifier. We're gonna use the same setup that we did in experiment 1. Actually, we will not create a new project. It's the same as experiment 1 here. I will not create any new project. But then I'm gonna change the properties of the diode here. So in the beginning, the diode breakdown voltage was minus 1000, which is really much or very high compared to the input voltage minimum, which is minus 155, around minus 155. That's why this die didn't go into breakdown. Now to change this to something smaller than minus 155, I mean here like minus 100, minus 90, something, as a magnitude less than 155. So we're gonna right click on the diode, choose properties, and from the value tab, we choose edit model. Then just search for reverse breakdown near voltage. Here it is. Okay. And as you see, guys, it's 1000. So I'm gonna change it to 100. Okay. And just press anywhere, so that this button will be activated. So that when you press it, this now the diode has changed. But you must confirm this by using OK, by clicking OK. And to confirm more that the diode model has changed, you should see this asterisk here. That means, hey, when you use me, I have some of the model has changed. And of course, we changed the breakdown voltage to 100, which is less than 155 or minus, minus 100. So that when the input here reaches minus 100, this diode will break down in reverse, of course. So let's now, run the simulation and check the output, how the output on the load, which was positive in the beginning. So we're gonna set, we wanna see only VB or the diode input. Here is the diode input, guys. I'm sorry, the diode output. I'm sorry, the resist. Here is so here is the resistance output or the load output. In the beginning, when the diode breakdown voltage was 1000, we saw only in experiment 1, the previous recording, the previous video, we saw only the positive half cycle. Now we see part of the negative half cycle. That's why the DC voltage that we're gonna measure in a moment will be less than what we get in the first experiment when the diode voltage breakdown was 1000. Okay, because now there is positive DC and there is a negative DC, and then the output will be this plus this. This is positive, this is negative, so it's just like subtraction. So the overall DC will be less than what we get from the first experiment. Okay, so let's now measure the DC. It's really easy. Just look at the number here from the probe. It is now 39. If we compare it to what we get from the first experiment, it was around 49 or something. Let's check it. Yeah, it was around 49. It was exactly 49.1 from our practical setup here. So it decreases now by around 25%. 25% reduction in the DC. So basically, this diode rectifier, which has a breakdown voltage is 100, is less efficient in this circuit than the diode that has 1000, breakdown voltage in here. Okay, that's basically the effect of the breakdown. It makes your output not have some part of negative AC, and that's why the DC voltage here, reduced from 49 to 39, 25% reduction. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.